What's up, guys? We're back with another unboxing video. This time we're gonna keep this one short. It's my first pair of Kenzo today. Right here, it's a Kenzo T-shirt. It's in small from Essence. Again, I'll post a link below so you guys can read that. I feel like Kenzo is a bit less pricey than compared to like brands like Louis Vuitton or Off-White and even Palm Angels. You can probably cop a pair of Kenzo for like $90. It's not too bad for so-called designer. The actual shirt, it's actually fantastic quality. Nothing in the bag, some plastic here. Nothing in here. Here it is, just says Kenzo Paris. It's got the Kenzo tag here, right here. And here you can see it. I usually wear small. This seems like it'd be a perfect fit for me. But those of you over like 5'9", 5'10" should probably go a size up to medium. But I feel like small would be a good fit for me. All right, thanks for tuning in, and see you later.